Real Outdoorsman Recordings. Yes, 719, pay attention. This is what we should be like over the skyline in Nashville. No, you're not gonna get a picture of me, and no, I'm not playing the guitar tonight for you. So, hey, imagine what this is like what this could be like if this was the 719, okay? We can do better. Businesses should not be leaving our town. They should be coming in. This may be the longest video I make for this month in July. We'll talk to City Council like next month, okay? But I just want you to know that here in the 615, they're booming. That's why I'm here. They're booming business-wise, and that's the fireworks over the skyline. Figured I'd give it to you. Bill Murray, I'm glad you made it. You got 15 views on my very new YouTube channel. Avila, we can make a difference in this town. The rest of you, we gotta realize there's too many empty buildings up for lease in this 719. We need to fix that. So, enjoy, because I'll see you next month. Real Outdoorsman Recordings. .719, you could learn a lot from the 615. Pay attention. Happy 4th of July. And love to all the veterans. Happy Independence Day. Real Outdoorsman Recordings. I think I might let this one go to 3.5, 4.